Hey guys, and welcome back to another Crypto Jet video where today we're going to be talking about Saitama. Now, a lot of you have probably heard of this. A lot of you probably thought it was a pump and dump scam project, something similar to Shiba Inu, since it is called, Saitama Inu. But this is something that is actually based upon the education of new people entering the crypto world, which is why I think it has a potential as a project to bring and shed a good light on the crypto world itself, but also get a lot of young and unknowledgeable people involved through a very simple series of uh, programs. So these guys have a ecosystem built with a wallet, built with a whole decentralized exchange, whole application. They will be coming out with an exchange as well, so everything is a part of this project, and their mission is to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to everybody. So they do have the token where you have a passive income system. It's a deflationary currency, and they have an anti-whale traps as well, where they don't allow people to sell huge amounts of money to prevent, pumps and dumps in the market. Uh, Here's a little burn percentage from the actual tokenomics and the ecosystem. So these guys are burning uh, you know, coins all the time to increase the value of current existing tokens. They have the whole ecosystem. So Saitama is here. It's the wallet. It looks pretty cool. You see Mr. Wolf right here. You see Saitama. You can swap other coins. You can hold other coins in the wallet. It's a one-stop shop for DeFi. You can use bank cards to purchase tokens, buy and sell goods and services using crypto, learn and improve your financial skills, and create or trade NFTs. So a lot of different stuff right here. You do have the whole Saitamask ecosystem, a little explanation about how it actually works. But when it comes to the white paper, you can read it in multiple languages. Check it out. I'm going to open it in a new tab right now in English. But before we continue on with Saitama, if you want to learn more about the project, obviously give these guys a follow on their Twitter page. But I do suggest you give us a follow on the YouTube, because I'm always coming at you with the newest and freshest content out there. For example, something that you wouldn't see today on another YouTube video is a recap of the global cryptocurrency market as a whole, from somebody who really knows their technicals and fundamentals. So what we're going to do right now is have a look from the higher to the lower time frames on Bitcoin. So we do have a very strong zone of support at the 42K mark, as we've seen before. So you can see a little hit right here. You can see a hit right here, right here, right here, right here. Basically huge support. And in more recent times, or if we move on to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've had a strong rejection from this area. Currently, we're looking quite bullish. It seems that we have found a bottom right here, because prices did come back up very quickly from this point. And it's going to be interesting to see what happens next. Now, we do have somewhat of a bullish correction pattern forming right here. And it's very likely that we do see a formation such as this one. So movement into this area right here, another movement down to create a double bottom, but then breaking out of the previous lower high streak, making a retracement and moving higher towards, more upside. So that's something that's a very realistic scenario for me personally, at least, something along the lines of this, because a movement such as this, or a retracement as large as this one towards the downside, must be broken through a series of moves, right? So we're not just simply going to go, down and then up right away, right? That's not how the market works. We're going to move down. We're going to consolidate a little bit. We might create a double bottom. We might move up. We might create a triple bottom once again. And then once buyers are certainly stronger than sellers, and once we do get some more news from, Powell and the Fed and whoever's going to taper, whoever's not going to taper, it's going to be interesting to see. And in any case, we're having a huge year up ahead of us when it comes to investing into the global crypto market. So that's it for Saitama. I mean, you have a huge, extensive website right here with explanations about how to buy and how to do pretty much everything. Give these guys a follow on their Twitter. Leave a like on the video, comment down below with your favorite part about Saitama, and subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more about daily crypto news and content. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.